Good morning, everyone. My name is Farangi Mumbaikar, NSS volunteer of Saraswati College of Engineering. I welcome you all to this webinar regarding current COVID-19 situation and vaccination process. Today, we have with us our guest speaker, Dr. Ravindranath Kimbhavi sir, who will be sharing his knowledge and will be guiding us about the current scenario of this pandemic. He is a professor at St. G.S. Medical College as well as a doctor at KEM Hospital, Parel. He has done MBBS, DPH, MD, BHA from TISS Devnath, Mumbai. I request Dr. Ravindra Kimbhavi sir to take over the session from here.
Good morning, everybody. Today I will speak on the topic of current COVID-19 situation and the vaccination process. I am Dr. Ravindra Kembavi, Professor of Community Medicine, KM Hospital, St. GS Medical College. Now we must see the COVID situation is very high in India and worldwide, and in Maharashtra there are 67,000 cases occurring daily, and in Mumbai there are now the cases are reduced. See the situation worldwide and India, it shows that in India the cases are very rise, and in Maharashtra there are presently 67,000 cases occurring daily. Now present today's time from India shows that the cases of India is slightly reduced. When say in Maharashtra 48,700 and the city is 3,840. And deaths are also now reduced in Mumbai. Now current trends indicates that the disease is now pandemic, and there is a community spread occurred all over the world. Is in the situation can be handled in by prevention than rather than anything else. For prevention we can do vaccination. We have to reinforce the standard hygienic practices, safety measures in the community, environmental control measures, vaccination in the community. Now core principle is prevention is better than cure. See that very important, you prevent yourself from COVID, rather than getting that COVID. If you get COVID, you are morbid, there are many mortalities there. Post-COVID complications are very much. Therefore, very important is that instead of getting the disease, you protect yourself, and there are simple measures which can each and everybody should follow to prevent the getting COVID infection. Now, first we'll start with COVID vaccination. The need of COVID vaccination. First COVID vaccination occurred in world December 2019 in China. First cases occurred in India on 27 Jan 2020 in Kerala. Cases are occurring all the world in India and Maharashtra. Vaccination is going to be given for above 18 years from 1st of May 2021. Infection occurs in young, they move here and there, get infected, and they infect the old people. Newer variants of 19 are there in the community, and the vaccine, it is known the fact that this vaccine gives protection to the variant COVID-19 viruses also. Initially, vaccine was given for the healthcare workers, then it was given in frontline workers, then above 60 years, and then above 45 years, because infection was high among them and mortality was also high. Now, as you see that the infections are more in 18 to above, and they spread the infection, now vaccination is started for 18 years and above. Now, Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness, Gavi and all that, prepared the vaccine, and in India, there are vaccines are produced. There are different types of vaccines. One is inactivated vaccine, virus vectorial vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, DNA based vaccine, and M messenger based vaccine. Now the vaccine, how this vaccine acts? It targets the spike proteins, it targets the receptors binding domain, receptor binding SIS protein and other receptors. See the virus which is there, which is covers spikes and all that, they enter the mucosa through the spike proteins and all that. First it affects the nasal mucosa, then it affects the throat mucosa, it affects the tonsil, and then it enters the blood. The inactivated vaccine which is there is the co-vaccine. How is this vaccine prepared? Vaccines are physically and chemically inactivated but preserve the integrity of the virus particles, serves as the immunogen, elicits immune response which target not only S antigen but also other structured or non-structural protein including M, E and N proteins. The inclusion of other viral antigen might induce involving humoral and cellular immunity. Disadvantage: certain epitopes which readily induce high binding but low neutralizing antibodies are prone to elicit on ADE effects. The requirement for biosafety level 3 production facilities required. Covaxin, that is vaccine which is indigenous one, which is manufactured by Bharat Biotech and is developed in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Virology. Indigenous inactivated vaccine is developed and manufactured in India in high containment facility. Vaccine is developed using whole viron inactivated viro cells derived from platform from technology. Inactivated vaccine do not replicate and they are unlikely to revert and cause pathological effect. They contain dead virus, incapable of infecting people, but still able to instruct the immune system to mount a defensive reactions against the infection. The Covaxin, 2 doses of the vaccines are given. After first dose, after 28 days, you get the second dose of the vaccine. And the side effects of vaccine are very less. Pain at the site, fever, body ache will be there 1 or 2 days, and the side effects subsides. Now, virus vectorial vaccine, that is the Covishield vaccine. How it is prepared? It contains the genetic encoded pathogens are cloned into the non-replicating or replicating virus vectors such as adenovirus. The antigens are produced by transduced host cells after immunization. Replication deficit virus vectors are typically disabled from replicating by deletion of certain part of the viral genome, and they are engineered to express the targeted antigen protein from SAR, S-CoV-2, RBD or S protein popularly in the human and chimpanzee adenovirus. Advantage: safety profile, scalable manufacture of the potent stimulus of both the cellular and humoral immunity. Disadvantage are pre-existing bacterial immunity. Covishield, that is what Covishield is there, Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, manufactured in India by the Serum Institute of India. Covishield recommended replicated deficit chimpanzee adenovirus vector encoded SARS-CoV-2 spike S glycoprotein produced in a genetically modified human embryonic kidney, 293 cells. This product contains genetically modified organism. Covishield vaccination course consists of 2 separate doses, 0.5 ml each. The second dose should be administered between 4 to 6 weeks after the first dose. However, there is data available for administration second dose up to 12 weeks. So this means that after 45 days, government have decided to vaccinate you the second dose. Now about the vaccines efficacy and compared with other vaccines, we got Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, that is Covishield. This is viral vector, genetically modified virus. The effectivity is 60 to 90%, and it can be stored in regular freezer at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Then you see the Moderna vaccine, RNA vaccine. Efficacy is 95%, but the storage temperature is -20, which is not possible in Indian setting where the humidity is more. We have got Pfizer Biotech RNA virus vaccine, which is stored at -70. It's very difficult to store in Indian conditions. We got Sputnik V virus, and it is also been imported in Russia, and it can be carried, but it has not been arrived in India so far. Covaxin also is a killed vaccine, and efficacy varies from 60 to 90%. And it can be stored in regular fridges, so that it is now in India we have got Covaxin and Covishield, which is given widely. The effect of vaccine versus the other measures: vaccine which is given in India use 60 to 90% protection, but other measures also have to be done to prevent the spread of the vaccine: wearing the mask, COVID appropriate behavior, maintaining a social distance, extensive testing, case isolation and contact tracing. Now, proper usage, storage and cleaning of the mask also affects how well they protect use. Following these steps for putting on the and taking off the mask. These are very important. I have seen masks being worn by many people, but the ideal is not followed. Therefore, I put in this in blueprint. Wash or sanitize your hand before and after putting on your mask. Place your mask over the mouth. nose and the chin, tight behind the head or use earlobe, making sure it is sunk. Do not touch your mask while wearing it. If you accidentally touch your mask, wash or sanitize your hand. If your mask becomes wet or dirty, switch to a clean one. Put the used mask in a sealed bag until you get rid of it and wash it. Remove the mask by untying it or lifting from the earlobe without touching the front mask on your face. Wash your hand immediately after removing your mask. Regular cloth wash mask in washing machine or by hand. And do not forget this precaution. Very important while handling when you are wearing mask, don't touch your hand in the fingers, nose, and all the face. Very important is there. Now, do's of the mask is wash your hands before touching the mask. Inspect the mask for tears and holes. Find the top side where the metallic piece is lifted. Ensure the colored side is outwards. Place the metal of piece of stiff edge over your nose. Cover your mouth, nose and chin. Adjust the mask to your face without leaving gaps on your sides. Avoid touching the mask. Remove the mask from behind the ears or the nose. Keep the mask away from you and your surface while removing it. Discard the mask immediately after use, preferably in closed bin. Wash your hands after discarding the mask. Remember that mask alone cannot protect you from COVID-19. Maintain at least 1 meter distance from other and wash your hands frequently and thoroughly even while wearing a mask. Now this is the ideal how you wear the mask. See, it is closely fitted and there is no space and all that. This should be followed. Then how you do not wear the mask. This is very important because I have seen many people wearing the mask. Then they remove the mask, they keep it in their pocket, then again use it. Wear the mask below your nose. Should not wear, many of them people wear the mask below their nose. Leave your mask chin exposed. Wear your mask loosely with gaps on the sides. Push your mask under the chin to rest of your face. Now wearing mask, how it protects you. If both are not using the mask, the risk of transmission is high. When one is wearing the mask and you are not wearing the mask, moderate high risk is there. If you are wearing, then you are the low risk of getting infection, while other person is at high risk. When both are wearing, the risk of transmission is very low. Now the study of this is done, the effectivity of vaccine is done in US, and they say that the effectivity of surgical mask is 58.1%. Of the this home cloth mask, 3-layer mask is 51.4%. When you properly fit the mask and all that, it is 70%. When you use double mask, one is cloth mask and surgical mask, then effectivity is 85.4%. And you how to pair it up with we have to have pair with surgical mask and the surgical and cloth mask. It is better. Then COVID-19 this N95 mask is very good, and it is pores are there filterable, and there is a no transmission. And very important, you have to use COVID-95 mask, and there is no use using of other mask along with COVID-95 mask. Now very important, 7 steps of hand hygiene. I have seen many people washing the hand. They either show their hand to the soap and all that. These 7 steps are very important to manage. Rub your hands, palms to the palm. Rub the back of both the hands, palm to palm with finger interlaced. Back of the fingers to the opposition palm with fingers interlocked. Then rotation of rubbing of the right thumb claps in the left thumb, vice versa. Rotating the rubbing the backward and forward words with the claps fingers or the left hand and right versus. 7th is wrap the left hand over the right hand. These steps should be followed religiously when you wash your hand each time. Now protection measures for person who have been or recently visited past 14 days areas where COVID-19 is spreading. Self-isolation by staying at home if you are being to feel unwell, even with mild symptoms, headache, lower grade fever, slight running nose until you recover. If it is essential for you to do someone to bring you supplies or do out to buy the food, then wear a mask to avoid infecting others. Avoid contact with others. Visit to medical facility will allow them facility to operate more effective and help protect you and others. If you develop fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical advice prompt, as this may be due to a respiratory infection or other serious infections. Call in advance and tell your provider of any recent travels or contact with the travelers. Why this is very important, the other person, the doctors come to know that you must have contact with the COVID vaccine. Calling in advance will allow your healthcare provider to quick direct you to the right health facilities. This will also protect preventing spread of COVID infection and other viruses. Precautions at public places. Maintaining a distance of 3 feet or 1 meter for people around is another prudent steps toward of to catching infection. In a place or social place, do not get close to people, especially those who are coughing and sneezing. Be mindful of not touching the inappropriate surface in the said facilities. Changing clothes immediately after reaching the home and taking a shower is very important. Then when you are in outside, when you are in the community, when you are there, you don't remove the mask, because by some must have passed off and droplet nuclei by in there, and if you open your mouth and you can get infected. So very important, you have to wear the mask continuously when you are outside. As you enter your house, see that you get sanitize yourself, all the hands, your clothes and all in the washing machine. Take a shower and start cleaning from the very important. Now it is a COVID pandemic is there and it has reached our homes. Cleaning our house frequently is very important. Entrance lobbies, corridors, stairs, escalator, elevator, security guard, booth, office rooms, meeting rooms, cafeteria should be mopped with disinfection with 1% sodium hypochlorite or phenolic disinfectant. High contact surfaces such as elevators, buttons, handrails, handles and call buttons, accelerators, handrails, public counters, intercom systems, equipment like telephone, printer, scanner and other office machines should be cleaned twice daily by mopping with linen and soap clothes soaked in 1% sodium hypochlorite. See this should be done in your houses as well, so that you maintain cleanliness in your house. For metallic surface like door handles, security keys, 70% alcohol can be used to wipe down the surface where use of bleach is not suitable. Hand sanitization station should be installed in office premises, at your homes the moment you enter the house. Is very important. All employees should consider cleaning the work area in front of them with disinfectant, wipe prior to use, and sit on the seat. You get away from others if possible, and use sanitize the place before you sit. Is very important. Don't give to your mobiles to anybody. Use your own mobiles. Very important. And if you have other mobiles, you have to sanitize yourself and use your mobiles. Also sanitize others, because if other people have used your mobile, you can get infected. And very important is the money which you get very infected. You take the money, you collect it and keep it in your purse, and then you hand sanitize. Infected organisms may be there in the contact with the virus of the person who is giving the money. Outdoor areas have less risk of than indoor due to air current and exposition. These include bus stops, railway platforms, parks, roads. Cleaning and disinfecting efforts should be targeted to frequently touch and contaminate surface, as already detailed above. Better not to touch unnecessary in road streets when you are touching anywhere unnecessary, and keep hand sanitizer in your pocket. The moment you come in contact, you hand sanitize with your hand sanitizer which is in your pocket. Public toilet sanitation must be used separately while setting cleaning equipment, toilets, and separate set for sinks and commode. They should always be disposable protective gloves while cleaning the toilet and all that. Social distancing. It is one of the measures. It is a non-fungal infection prevention and control or intervention to avoid or control contacts between infection and uninfected person. The main advantage is gleaned when a individual in incubation period and early infection stage of COVID-19 restricts coming in contact with other healthy individuals. This causes the disease transmission in a community, eventually culminating into a decreased infection control, morbidity and mortality. Strategies involved by the policymakers. Strict advisory and orders are used under the pandemic action. epidemic 19. This should be strictly followed. There should be no negligence from the government to restrict public gathering and events, shutting down educational institution, offices, restaurants, avoid non-essential travels and use of public transport, maintain a distance of 1 meter at least between two individuals, restrict visit to the hospitals and avoid online shopping, avoid festival celebrations, Kumbh Mela and all that, very important. The overcrowding is there, chances of infection is there. Avoid rallies for the elections. Avoid people in the galleries of IPL and who are watching totally come in close contact get the infection. Cancel marriage gathering because what there is overcrowding and the infection is there as community spread has already occurred. Avoid grouping of people while collecting vegetables, vendors and all that. And avoid when you go to vaccination center, overcrowding should be avoided. It is very important. The virus is very infectious now and it is likely to transmit there. All precautions, it does not differentiate between the politicians, doctors or common layman. So very necessary, you have to provide aseptic precautions regularly. Extensive testing, case isolation and contact tracing should be done. Possibly testing case isolation is the only where we can prevent the spread of the disease. And main important, you have to take care of emotional well-being and maintenance from nutrition. Diet is very important because the moment you don't eat food, vanish, you are prone, your immunity reduces, and your chances to getting infection is very high. Now, prevention is better than cure. Getting infection and treating, and if you don't get the infection, it is better. If you get infection, you get the treatment, but the morbidity and the complications of post still not known, and many people are still breathless, and other weakness is still present in the patient, and long-term hazards are not known till now. Thank you for patience with me. Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you, Allah.